Hi guys. So let's see how we can enable the BGP on FortiGate. So basically we will be using this topology. So here we have the router R3. So basically we have this complete topology, but in this case we'll be just using R3 and this Fortinet. Okay. So here we have this switch as a L2 switch, right? And R3 is actually getting the IP address from Fortinet as a DHCP client. This is getting the IP address, right? So let me quickly show you what IP here we do have. 10.3 and one loopback we are using just basically. So once we start the BGP, we will try to redistribute the routes also. Okay. So let's see we are able to reach firewall or not. Okay, that is not reachable. Reason being we have not applied the ping policy over there. So that's fine actually. Control ping will be allowed. So let's go to the firewall. Go to network. Go to BGP. So initially we have to put the local AS number. So let's say I'll be using AS number 200. What is my router ID? 192.168.10.1. So my own interface address I'm using as a router ID. Neighbors. Create a neighbor. So 192.168.10.3 is the neighbor IP. Remote ACE number I'll be using 100. This local ACE is a different local ACE. Okay, so maybe in the next videos I'll talk about these local ACE and these other features. So today what we are doing right now, we are trying to enable the BGP and we are trying to bring up the neighborship between two devices, and where we have one of those devices a firewall, right? Let me use the password also. Let's say capital CCIE. So right now I'll not use all these features, but in the next video, I'll talk about all these features and how we can use it. What are the cases of these features, right? I'll just save it. Cool. I'm not advertising right now any neighbor command or something. I'll just remove this one. Okay. I'll just say IP for redistribute, connected redistribute, so that we can see the routes also over here, right? Apply. This is done. Now let's go to the R3. Go in the configuration mode. Router BGP 100. Neighbor 192.168.10.1. Remote is that is using 200. Neighbor 192.168.10.1. And the password you are using capital CCIP. That's it. These two things are sufficient to bring the neighborship up. So let's see the neighborship will come up or not. Yeah, you see the neighborship is up. Do show IP BGP summary. So on the Cisco router, this is the command to verify the BGP neighborship. Let's go to Fortinet firewall. Here you can see the view here. How many neighbors we do have, what path we do have available here. That's fine actually, right? A quick view we are getting here. But let's go here to the routing monitor in the dashboard page. I'll remove this filter right now. So yeah, right now we have these things. So okay, I'll just say here BGP, right? Or let's say BGP neighbors first. So I see we do have one BGP neighbor, and what local IP I'm using right now, this one, what is remote host number, that is 100, and the state is stabilized. Fine. How many paths we do have right now? So right now we do have these paths available. Okay. So this we are actually originating right now. If you see next hop 0000, next hop 000 means we are actually doing a redistribution here, right? We are not receiving anything yet. So I'll go to the Cisco router. I'll just say redistribute connected. Do show IP BGP. So these now we are redistributing, and these we are receiving from the neighbor. Fine. Let's go to the neighbor. So earlier I was getting only these two. Now I will refresh the page. We should get few more. Yeah, you see. Now we are getting that loopback address 10.10.10.10, and this also from this neighbor. The next hop is this one, and the origin code is incomplete. So basically we have two types of origin code. One is incomplete, one is IGP. One more, we have more like one more, that is EGP, but let's talk about only the IGP and incomplete. So if you see incomplete, we have redistributed the routes. If you see IGP, we have basically ended the route via the network command. So these two things we can use. Add the route via the network command, you will see origin code I. Add the route via the redistribution command, you will see the origin code incomplete, right? Let's go here on the Cisco, how this will look like. Yeah. So this is called incomplete, this question mark, right? If you see the question mark here, that is incomplete. That is saying the route is redistributed route, right? And if you see the I, that is advertised by the network command. So that's how we see here. And here also we can verify. So this is how we bring up the neighborship. In the next video, we will talk about like few more features of BGP.